Welcome students. CBSE is going to conduct Heritage India Quiz 2021. Let us see some details of this quiz. CBSE Heritage India Quiz is conducted every year to raise the awareness about preserving human heritage, diversity and vulnerabilities of India's built monuments and heritage sites. It is an attempt from CBSE to motivate future generations like you of this country towards efforts required to protect and conserve our vast cultural heritage. The board is hosting Heritage India Quiz 2021 only on Diksha platform. We will see details of this Diksha platform later on. All the students from class 1 to 12 are eligible to participate in this quiz, and it is mandatory for everybody. To access this quiz, a student needs to join Heritage India Quiz 2020-21 course on Diksha app. So first of all, you have to install Diksha app in your mobile. For that, what you have to do? Go to Google Play Store, then search for Diksha and click on install. After installation, you will see screen like this. So from here, we are going to start our steps. This is your step number 1. Click on this Diksha app. Then step number 2 is you have to select your language. That will be English for you. Click on English and then click on continue. Step number 3, you have to select student out of these 3 options. Step number 4, select CBSE NCERT, then click submit. Step number 5, select your medium as English, then click on submit. Step number 6, click your class and then click submit. After this, you will see a screen something like this on right hand side. Here you can see a page called courses. See at the bottom. So you have to click on courses, then search for Heritage India Quiz as shown in step number 7. You have to type here Heritage India Quiz. So there will be a course like this, CBSE Heritage India Quiz. Click here. Then next screen will be this one. Step number 8, you have to click on join course. After this, it will ask you for login. So this is your step number 9. Click on login at the bottom. Then step number 10, you have to click on register here. You have to click on register here. See, because you are going to register yourself on Diksha platform for the first time. So you will not be able to log in until unless you register. So click on register here. Then it will ask you some details. You have to enter your details very carefully with no spelling errors. So this will be your step number 11. This is your register page. Select your year of birth, enter name, mobile number or email address. Select password and write it somewhere because it will be required later on also. So register yourself after clicking on this register button. Now you are able to start your course. So after registering yourself, select the course as shown earlier. CBSE Heritage India quiz. Select Start Learning, this green button, and you have to complete all the modules. Module 1, then Module 2 and Module 3. Do not jump. We have 3 modules here: Introduction module, Know Our Heritage, and CBSE Heritage India. Introduction module provides introduction to this Heritage India quiz course. Know Our Heritage module provides interesting video content on the heritage of India. And the third module is actually your quiz. After finishing this course, you are eligible to get a participation certificate. Let us see how to get participation certificate. But it will be available only after 100% completion of this course. Now let us see how to access certificates. For this, you have to go to profile page on Diksha's homepage. See, this is your profile page. Click here. After clicking here, you have to scroll down your screen. Let me show you so that you can see your learner's passbook. This is just a sample. It is showing 10 courses. Somebody has finished 10 courses. So these 10 courses are in the list. So what you have to do, you have to scroll down to the learning passbook part of this profile. Click on the I icon to download the certificate. This is your I icon. You have to click here. If you are downloading it for the first time, storage permissions might have to be given. Your certificate will be downloaded in your mobile's memory. Then you have to send that certificate to Google Classroom of respective class teachers. So I hope you understood well. If you have any doubts, you can directly contact me on WhatsApp. So all the best.